Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. In today's video I have this Adidas Racer TR23. The core feature is the Cloud Foam midsole. This proprietary Adidas EVA foam provides soft, lightweight cushioning from heel to forefoot, offering an ultra-smooth, comfortable step for daily use. The shoe features a soft, flexible textile upper that is designed to be lightweight and breathable, allowing for comfort and freedom of movement. In line with Adidas' sustainability efforts, at least 50% of the upper is made from recycled materials. The three stripes on the side are signature Adidas element, chunky and angular design around the shoe, it is a shoe that uses Cloud Foam technology for soft cushioning. A soft textile lining adds to the step in comfort and gentle support. These sturdy cylindrical shoelaces are available in a variety of colors to match your shoes. These shoes are comfortable enough for all-day wear thanks to their soft tongue. The shoe is equipped with a durable rubber outsole that is designed to provide reliable grip and traction on various surfaces, making it a stable choice for navigating city streets or light paths. The overall silhouette and tooling draw from classic running shoe aesthetic, but are updated with modern streetwear style for versatility. It is a comfortable, running-inspired sneaker designed for all-day, everyday wear. It focuses on cushioning and sustainability. Let's wear them and see how they look on me. The shoelaces allow for easy adjustment, simply pull and tighten them. Honestly, the Racer TR23 delivers exactly what you need in a modern, versatile shoe. Lightweight construction, that super plus Cloud Foam cushioning, and a look that works whether you are hitting the gym or just running errands. It's a great grab-and-go sneaker that provides excellent comfort and modern style without the heavy price tag. It's a fantastic everyday shoe for our busy lives. And that wraps on the Adidas Racer TR23, a sleek blend of comfort, style and performance. Whether you are running or just keeping it casual, these kicks definitely bring the everyday versatility Adidas is known for. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next sneaker drop or performance test. Thanks for watching, stay fresh, stay moving, and I'll catch you in the next one.